Let's delve into a topic that is often embarrassing for people to discuss: a weak pelvic floor. While common, it is not normal and should be a cause for concern. The pelvic floor is a group of muscles shaped like a hammock that supports the womb, bladder, and bowel. Organs such as the urethra, vagina, and anus run across the pelvic floor. It stretches from the front of the pubic bone to the tailbone and is responsible for regulating the excretion of urine and feces and plays a role in sexual function. It's crucial to address the symptoms of a weak pelvic floor as soon as they are observed, as the condition can significantly impact the quality of life. Don't be shy to discuss it with your healthcare provider. Below is a description of foods that help strengthen the pelvic floor. Remember, adequate nutrition should be used in conjunction with Kegel exercises. 1. Water. Proper hydration helps remove toxins and maintain a healthy colon. Dehydration can lead to constipation, which contributes to a weak pelvic floor. To stay hydrated, limit drinks with caffeine, for example, coffee, black tea, and fizzy drinks. Caffeinated drinks are diuretics, causing frequent urination and overactive pelvic muscles. Fizzy drinks can irritate the bladder, leading to infections, incontinence, and difficulty urinating. For optimal hydration, drink water and consider alkaline water. Aim for half your body weight in ounces of water daily, for example, 70 ounces for a 140-pound person. Replace caffeinated and carbonated drinks with herbal teas like chamomile, valerian, nettle, and peppermint for their anti-inflammatory benefits. 2. Bananas and other magnesium-rich foods. Bananas are rich in magnesium, which is essential for the muscles and nerves to function properly. Magnesium helps to reduce bladder muscle contractions and helps the bladder empty fully while urinating. The laxative effects of magnesium also make the mineral a powerful relief for constipation. Other magnesium-rich foods include almonds, cashews, spinach, pumpkin seeds, soy nuts, cooked black beans, and flax seeds. 3. Omega-3 fatty acids. Oily fish such as salmon, mackerel, oysters, and sardines are beneficial due to their high omega-3 fatty acid content. Omega-3s help lower blood pressure, reduce triglyceride levels, delay plaque formation in arteries, and have anti-inflammatory properties, counteracting the effects of omega-6 fatty acids. For anti-inflammatory benefits, aim for 2,000 to 3,000 mg/day, and for reducing triglycerides, 3,000 to 3,500 mg/day. Nuts and seeds are also rich in omega-3s. For example, 1 tablespoon of flaxseed contains 1,800 mg, and chia seeds contain 2,400 mg. Soybeans and walnuts are also excellent sources. 4. Foods low in citric acid. The acidity of fruits is measured using the pH scale, where 1 is the most acidic and 14 is most alkaline. Foods high in citric acid can irritate the bladder and worsen bladder control. These include oranges, pH 3.0 to 4.0, lemons, pH 2.2 to 2.4, limes, pH 1.8 to 2.0, and grapefruits, pH 3.0 to 3.7. Opt for foods with lower citric acid content, such as bananas, pH 4.5 to 5.2, figs, pH 5.05 to 5.98, avocados, pH 6.27 to 6.58. Watermelons, pH 5.18 to 5.6, and persimmons, pH 4.42 to 4.7. Alkaline vegetables like kale, carrots, cucumbers, broccoli, and sweet potatoes are also good choices. 5. Foods with high levels of vitamin D. Women with higher vitamin D intake have a lower risk of developing a weak pelvic floor. Studies show that women with incontinence often have lower vitamin D levels. Vitamin D is crucial for muscle strength, function, and mass, affecting pelvic floor muscles directly via receptors in the muscles. Insufficient vitamin D can reduce muscle strength and mass. The recommended daily intake of vitamin D is 400 to 800 IU. To boost intake, consider vitamin D supplements or cod liver oil. Eat vitamin D-rich foods like eggs, 41 IU per egg, and oily fish, 447 IU per 3 ounces of wild salmon, 307 IU per 3 ounces of mackerel, and consume fortified beverages like milk and juice. 6. Anti-inflammatory foods. Fresh herbs and spices help to support pelvic floor health. Consider adding basil, cilantro, rosemary, and coriander to your recipes for a burst of flavor and anti-inflammatory benefits. Ginger, garlic, turmeric, cinnamon, and nutmeg also provide anti-inflammatory effects. Certain foods can trigger pelvic inflammation and weaken the pelvic floor. Coffee, caffeinated drinks, and carbonated beverages limit intake as they can exacerbate pelvic issues. Sugars and artificial sweeteners, high blood glucose levels can damage nerves involved in bladder regulation, increasing the risk of urinary incontinence and worsening overactive bladder symptoms. The kidneys work overtime to remove excess sugar, leading to frequent urination and further bladder issues. Alcohol, its acidity irritates the bladder and urethra, increasing urine acidity and irritating the pelvic floor. Spicy foods, these can irritate the pelvic floor by increasing urine acidity or irritating the bladder lining. Limit intake of spicy foods like jalapenos, chilies, wasabi, horseradish sauce, mustard, and other spicy peppers and sauces. Experiment to find your tolerance level. Performing Kegel exercises is the most common way to strengthen the pelvic muscles. The exercises can be performed lying down, standing up, or sitting down. They include glute bridge, assisted heel drops, bird dog, and split tabletop, among many others. Tools such as vagina balls can be used to enhance exercise intensity. The results are not instantaneous, and in some cases, you may need to do the exercises for at least 3 months.